Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of you. Today I'm going to show you two refreshing summer drinks, watermelon and pomegranate lemonade. These are light, refreshing, filled with goodness of fruit and flavored with lemons. These are the perfect summer drinks at the end of the day to quench the thirst, and these are the perfect for Ramadan. So let's get started. I start with making first refreshing drink, that's pomegranate lemonade. For that I have taken 2 cups of pomegranate, here you can see. Then I have taken 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, sugar according to your taste, and salt, a pinch of salt. It's optional. If you don't like salt in lemonade, you can skip it. Then I'll blend all the pomegranate in a blender jar, or you can use a juicer to make juice out of it. And I have added some water. Then I'll strain it. And here is our pomegranate juice ready. Now I'll be adding other ingredients to it. I'll add lemon juice. I have taken juice of 2 lemons, small lemons, a pinch of salt and sugar. You can adjust sugar according to your taste, and if you don't like salt in your lemonade, you can skip it. But we have just added a pinch of salt in lemonade and it enhances the taste of any lemonade. You can try it. So here I will refrigerate it. Now I'll show you how to make watermelon lemonade. For that I have taken around 1.5 cup of watermelon. Here you can see I have made cubes of it. Then I have taken 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, sugar and a pinch of salt. Again, salt is optional. I'll blend with it water in a blender jar, or you can use juicer. Then I will strain it, and here our watermelon juice is ready. Now I'll be adding other ingredients, sugar, lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Mix it properly. Sugar you can adjust according to your taste, and you can skip salt if you don't like. Then I will refrigerate it for some time, and then it's ready to be served. Our cool, refreshing summer drinks are ready. These can be enjoyed without having guilt, and I have garnished it with some fresh mint leaves. It gives a very good flavor. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.